Your trusty car. Efficient, reliable, and never lets you down. Except when the battery dies and leaves you stranded. Fear not. Laser Tools has you covered in your hour of need. Introducing our new multifunction jump starter. Stored in a high quality carrying case, this is an efficient and extremely compact emergency engine starting power pack. Don't let the size fool you, this little gem is surprisingly small, but packs a powerful punch. It couldn't be simpler to use. Grab your jump starter, switch it on, and insert the cable clamps into the socket. The rotating LED display tells you that it's ready to go. Make sure the car ignition is switched off, then connect the clamps to the battery. Now the moment of truth. Turn the key, and there we go, back in business. Now look at this old nail. Hasn't been started in over a year. This is going to be a good test. Flat as a pancake. The jump starter's 7200 mAh battery will start bigger engines than this dead old diesel, so let's see what happens. Whoa, there it goes, bursting back into life. Might need to put some wheels on it if we want to go anywhere though. Now the jump starter is more than a jump starter. By simply holding down a button, we can turn it into a high-powered torch. Perfect for keeping you out of the dark. It is also a mobile power bank and is supplied with a multifunction lead that includes a standard USB, a micro USB and two Type-C connectors. So you're covered when it comes to charging all your gadgets. Although the pack has a long battery life, charging couldn't be easier. Plug the USB into your PC or laptop and soon you'll be ready to go all over again. The Laser Tools Multifunction Jump Starter. Available now from your local stockist.